So in today's video, we're going to take a look at the official Xbox wireless headset. This works with Xbox Series X, Xbox One, and Windows 10. Really nice simple packaging here from Microsoft. Very similar to their Xbox controller boxes, where you don't even need a knife to open. Speaker size in these are 40mm. This has Bluetooth 4.2. They're advertising 15 hours of battery life, and 30 minutes of charging provides about 4 hours of battery life. And these weigh in at 11 ounces or 312 grams. Now the cool thing about these is you can actually go into the Xbox accessories app and adjust equalizer settings, bass boost, auto mute, LED brightness, and mic monitoring. I'll leave a link in the description below with current pricing and more information. But let's go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. Definitely looks and feels like a high quality headset here. USB-C to USB-A cable, kind of on the short side though. And of course your warranty information and quick start guide. Pretty typical adjustment sliders here on the sides. As far as controls go, you have the power here on the left ear cup, which also functions as the pair button. And then for the mic volume, you turn the entire outside of the ear cup back and forth. Then on the right ear cup is your USB-C charging port. And then again, your volume wheel is the entire outside of the ear cup. That's actually a really cool way to do it. Pretty nice cushion here for the headband, and it's the same leatherette material as on the ear cups. And I gotta say, the cushions on the ear cup are super soft. Really nice flexibility on the headband as well. You can see how far this stretches out, and there's really no creaking on this, so yeah, again, this is really nice quality. Nice little white L&R on the inside of the ear cups. And even though the microphone seems a little bit on the short side compared to other headsets I've tested, again, it feels like really high quality. And it's probably one of the easiest ones you're gonna find to adjust. Now unfortunately, this headset does not fold flat. That could be a deal breaker for some people. So now that we've covered most of the basics, I'm gonna go ahead and start testing this out. You'll definitely wanna use headphones for the next part of the video, as I'll be using the actual microphone from this headset. That way you can hear what it sounds like as I give my first impressions of this new Xbox wireless headset. So you are now listening to the built-in mic on the Xbox wireless headset just by hitting the button on the mic near the back of the left ear cup. The ear cups on these are super soft, but it definitely takes some time to get this headset broke in. The clamping force feels a little too tight for my liking, but again, I think it just takes time for this one to get broke in. I also think the openings on the ear cups could be slightly larger. They do fit over my ears, which is nice, but doesn't really give them room to breathe like on some other headsets that I've tested. Overall weight feels pretty good for a wireless headset, and the headband doesn't seem to hurt after an hour or so of gaming, so that's a good sign. It also was really easy to get these connected to my Xbox Series X and gaming PC through Bluetooth. And the nice thing is you can charge these with USB-C while using the headset. When it comes to the overall sound on this headset, they definitely have more bass than what I was expecting. And it actually sounds really good when you're listening to music or hearing sound effects in movies. You can also adjust several things in the Xbox accessories app. And now it says that the bass boost is off by default, but to me it actually sounds like it's on. Surround sound is really good on here in my opinion. It's pretty easy to hear which direction footsteps or shots are coming from, and I think most people are going to be satisfied with how this gaming headset sounds. I feel like one of the best features on here is just how easy it is to adjust the volume of the game and the mic right on the outside of the ear cup. I have to admit it was a little weird at first if you're not used to this style, but it was way easier than just feeling around for some small button like on other headsets I've tested. So hopefully this video gave you a little bit closer look at the new Xbox wireless headset. In my opinion, this headset is definitely worth the price. I could even see people using this for work from home setups, especially since the mic is short and sort of hidden. The design on this definitely looks more stealth than other gaming headsets that have bright LED lights and flashy colors. I could also see people using this to listen to music on a regular basis or just watching movies. It doesn't block out surrounding sounds completely, but every time my wife is trying to talk to me, I have to take the headset off because I really can't make out what she's saying. So if you're looking for a really good wireless headset that isn't going to break the bank, I feel like you definitely got to check this one out.
So if you've made it this far into the video, you may want to say thanks by subscribing, and don't forget to give a thumbs up if this video was helpful. This is Brian from Fishbee Productions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.